In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Internet Explorer in Microsoft Edge. This comes in handy when you need to access websites that are only compatible with the older Internet Explorer system. Let's dive right in and walk through each step to make this transition smooth and hassle-free. First things first, you'll want to open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once you've got Edge up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. Here you'll see three dots, which is your gateway to more settings and options. Click on these three dots, often referred to as settings and more. When you click this, a drop down menu will appear. Simply select settings from this list. Now that you're in the settings area, look towards the left hand side and find default browser. Click on it and it will open up the default browser settings page. This is where you'll be able to manage how Internet Explorer integrates with Edge. Within this section, you're going to locate something called Internet Explorer compatibility. It's crucial to set the option that reads allow sites to be reloaded in Internet Explorer mode to allow. Doing this ensures that websites can be reloaded using Internet Explorer mode within Edge, offering improved compatibility for those older sites. After you've made this adjustment, Edge will prompt you to restart the browser to apply these changes. So go ahead and click Restart. Edge will reopen and you'll be right back in the settings. This time in the left hand panel, look for and click on Appearance. It should be right under where you found the default browser earlier. This will take you to a range of options where you can customize the look and feel of your browser. Within the Appearance section under Other Appearance Settings, you need to click on Toolbar. This is where you'll make the next adjustment. Scroll down a bit until you find Internet Explorer Mode, IE mode. You need to toggle this option to On. By doing so, you activate a feature that makes accessing Internet Explorer mode even easier. Once this is done, you'll notice a new icon in the top portion of your Edge browser. Right next to your favorites icon, there will now be a Reload tab in Internet Explorer mode button. This handy tool is what you'll use to open websites in IE mode. The next step is simple, just go to the website you'd like to view using Internet Explorer. With that tab open, click on the newly appeared icon, Reload tab in Internet Explorer mode. And there you have it, your site is now running in Internet Explorer mode within Edge. This process will ensure that you have the best of both worlds, the modern functionalities of Edge coupled with the compatibility perks of Internet Explorer. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.